Modern Indian young man, young woman sitting at a desk with a laptop, bright morning light, coffee cup, hopeful expression. Startup from home. Do you think you need money to start a business? Think again. In today's digital world, skills, creativity, and consistency are more powerful than cash. In this video, I'll show you how to start a successful small business in 2025 with 0 rupees investment right from your home. First step, find what you're good at. Maybe you're great at explaining things, designing posters, editing videos, or even cooking. Turn that skill into service, because every small business starts with one powerful thing: your talent. Second, use free tools. You don't need fancy offices or software. Create designs on Canva, promote your work on Instagram, or build a free website using Google Sites. All you need is a smartphone, internet, trust. When people see your work,